Through every broken story, you stay the same. When I was lost in darkness, far from your light, you came and found me, brought me back to life. No height, no depth could keep me from your heart. You chased me down right where I was. Your love, it never ends. It reaches far beyond the sky. Your grace, it covers all. No matter how I run or hide, you hold me in your hands. You never let me go. Forever I will stand in the power of your endless love. Through every fear I carry, you are my peace. Your voice is light.